Hello, welcome to our channel Devotional Emotion. Hope you all are well. यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतं धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. We know Lord Vishnu have taken many avatars to protect the world from the demons, and he killed the demons and saved the innocents. He have taken the avatars Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Ram, Krishna, and in this Kali Yuga, the Vishnu avatar Kalki will take place. Many of us has the question about the Kalki avatar, that who is the avatar? What are the signs of Kalki avatar? What will happen after Kalki avatar? What year will he born? Will Kalki be more powerful than Krishna? Now, I am going to clear all of your questions. Kalki, also called Kalkin, is the professed 10th avatar of the Hindu god Vishnu. His birth will be the end of the Kali Yuga, the final of the four eras, Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapar Yuga, and Kali Yuga, in the endless cycle of existence within Hinduism. This will subsequently start a new cycle with Satya Yuga. What are the signs of Kalki avatar? The ascendant of the Kalki avatar will be Purva Ashada, which comes under the Kumbha Rashi, the Aquarius zodiac sign, indicating that the Lord will be invincible and achieve an early victory. What will happen after Kalki avatar? After the annihilation of the evil and restoration of the good, Kalki returns to the Shambhala. This marks the end of Kali Yuga and the start of the new cycle of existence with Satya Yuga. Kalki then returns to heaven according to Kalki Purana. The new cycle begins thereafter. What year will Kalki be born? It is said that the Kali Yuga started sometime in 3100 BCE. We are currently at the 5121st year of the last Yuga, and 4,26,879 years are still remaining. As per the present day calculation, Kali Yuga shall come to an end in 4,28,899 CE. Will Kalki be more powerful than Krishna? Not really. In fact, he will be more subtler than even Krishna or Buddha. Violence started from zero during Matsya and reached to its peak during Parshurama, and again has been decreasing up to Buddha. On this pattern, most likely Kalki would not be an abrupt entry. What is the purpose of Kalki avatar? Kalki, also rendered by some as Kalkin and Kalaki, is some Hindu traditions in the 10th and final great avatar of Lord Vishnu. It is prophesied that to the end, the present age of darkness and destruction, known as Kali Yuga, the name Kalki is often used as a metaphor for eternity or time. And he will take birth to protect our world, to protect the innocents, and to kill the demons, the evil. In some Vaishnava texts, Kalki is forecasted to appear on a white horse at the end of Kali Yuga, to end the age of degeneration and to restore virtue and world order. Kalki is described differently in Indian and Buddhist manuscripts. It is believed that Lord Kalki will descend to the earth during Vaisakh month. Lord Kalki will appear on the earth on the 12th day after the full moon day. That means it can be guessed that he will appear at any time from 26th April to 5th May. It is also predicted that the Lord Kalki will be born to a man who would be named Vishnu Yasa, and his mother would be named as Sumati. It is also believed that Lord Kalki would go to Sinhala and marry the Padma and would start his conjugal life. What are the exact mission of Lord Kalki? It is said that the main mission of Lord Kalki to appear on the earth would be to destroy Koli, which would signify an evil person. The main motive of Lord Kalki would be to destroy all barbarians and thieves from the earth and make the earth a peaceful place to live on. Apart from that, it is also said that Lord Kalki would defeat the kings called Koli and hand over the rule to Devapi and Maru, the religious king of Koli Yuga. Thus, these were some of the lesser known facts about the Kalki. Please let us know how you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.